Hello! This is my end of the day. We actually already went shopping today and I bought this little jacket sweater thing. But this is from Zara, and then this is from Lefties, and this is from Stradivarius. But I bought these when I came here last year. But yeah, now we're gonna go to a little event happening down at the beach. Welcome to another day. We are just headed out to go to a market, and then we're gonna come back and rest, and then we're gonna go out again. Yesterday I filmed a little bit. We went to this like bridge opening thing, like basically it's like the grand opening of this bridge. We already walked on it, but I didn't get many clips just because it was not much happened. But yeah, so let's head to the market. We are now at a market, just shopping around for the fruit. I'll show you around. Look how big this tomato is. This is our market haul. We got some raspberries. These are nectarines. And then we got lettuce. And then a bunch of oranges, olives. Oh, and then there's a lemon. So it's a little market haul. We're walking back to the market now because we're gonna go look at like the fish market part because we forgot to do that. Yeah, we're walking through the little streets right now. It's super sunny today. But yeah, going for little walks. Our tortillas, but I want to show the view. It's so nice. Look at that. So nice, and it's a green flag today, so that means it's safe to go in the water and everything. Because the other days it's been like yellow flag because it's been so like huge waves. So look at those people paddle boarding, lots of boats out. Such a nice view. Such a sunny day too. It's like the hottest it's been so far we've been here. Loving it. Oh my god. I'm zooming. Oh, zooming in. Gonna chill here for a bit and then walk around town again. Come out for lunch. I got patatas and eggs. And this is Adora. We're gonna taste test the first bite. We got the fries. They're good. And we'll have the egg. 10 out of 10. We've now got a salad added, so more food. Welcome to another day. It's been kind of sporadic, the filming, but I'm just putting sunscreen on. I thought I'd start filming more, but today we are going out for lunch with one of my grandma's best friends, and just did my hair kind of cute today. I'm gonna wear a little skirt with this. It's the sunniest day this week, it says, so I'm gonna enjoy the sun as much as I can, so that's why I'm putting some sunscreen on, because I don't want to like fade my tattoo, or like, I don't really get burnt, but I just don't want to get wrinkly, you know, in the future. So that's what we're doing. This hairstyle is really, I'm gonna knock someone out with it. Maybe myself. That's the tea for today. We're also getting a car today, so we're gonna have that for about 25 days. So we're gonna go explore more of Portugal after that. So I'm excited to do that. But yeah, these past couple days have been more everywhere clips because I keep forgetting to film, or there's just nothing to film. So yeah, welcome to another day. So this is the fit of the day. I've got this cute little skirt. This is a skirt. This is my top. This top is from Aritzia. And then this skirt is from Stradivarius. Wait, let's put you down here. Cute. Very summer vibes. Pretty here up. That's the fit. We got the sunnies. These are called riders. I stole these from my dad. But yeah, she's ready for the day. Got the music playing. Yeah, we just had lunch and we just got our car. This is the car that we have. It's a Sakota, which I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm driving it, so this is scary. My first time driving in Portugal. But yeah, look at the beach from this view. We're at Senhora de Rocha. Just on this little area here. I'll show you around. It's got the beach side here. And then here we have there. We're gonna head down there now, actually. Yeah, I just want to show you the little car I'm driving. It's nice we got an automatic this time. Walk down here and they're just saying that a lot of people write their names on these shells. Might do that in the future. There used to be a well up here. Some more seashells on the top. There's people coming up here, but there is the town we stay in. I think I actually filmed this in the last vlogs last year, but there was nobody here last time, where this time there's so many tourists. But that's okay though. We've just come to explore. Every year it's different. So we now come to Algarve and let's look at it. A little bridge to walk on. I don't know where it goes, probably to nothing. But just to the beach. Getting rid of this chair, so I sit in it in the elevator. We're in the car. Singer's driving the car for the first time. Focus on driving. But we're going to go do some little bit of furniture shopping, I guess. Just a little bit of shopping, but it's the next day anyways, because we just went home and rested after the other day. It's been kind of sporadic, the videos, like, but yeah, we're gonna go into the little shopping areas. So we have come to Alcantarilla, to the shopping mall area. It's basically like home furniture, but yeah, we're gonna go shopping. I'm gonna go look at Sports Zone to find a couple clothing items, and then we're gonna go to Continent. But yeah, we're just gonna go explore the stores. Look at this. So funny. We've come into Homa, which basically is like a Bed Bath & Beyond Canada-wise. Just has all the furniture stuff. Just the most random stuff everywhere. So we're gonna shop around here. We're looking for a bunch of stuff for the house. So. We are now leaving this little shopping mall. We ended up getting a charcuterie board, 2 plastic chairs, and like some coffee, ground coffee. So successful. But now we're gonna go to some other stores. We are back, except this time we got groceries and we got some new chairs. I was gonna sit in them, but I have so much, like my camera in my pocket because I'm filming with my thing. Okay, we're here. We're now going to Albufeira.
And they think, what is this?
Oh, and I have some bags to put in the car, because you never know when we shop till we drop. Going down the tunnel. That was the end of the tunnel. We're going back up. Not much to see, just the beach. I think this hat's too big. Stylish though. I can't even put it down like that much. We came to the mall now to get some snackish, but also shopping. Getting her some stuff this time, because last time I'm the one who bought all this stuff. So, yeah, it would. What do we think? Yes? I think yes. Depends if you like the neck though.
But it's better than...
Fit of the day. Fit. I don't know where they're from. I think the whole vlog's gonna consist of me in this elevator, but it's just like, no one's here, I can talk. I'm gonna go see if I can sign up to go see one of the caves on like a boat. So I'm gonna go down to go do that now. Everything is like kind of closed right now. It's 10:30 in the morning. I feel like it's kind of weird because you expect that on like a Sunday or Monday, but it's a Tuesday. And nothing's open except for like gift stores. So hopefully this store's open. So I'm gonna go check. These ones are open. That's different. The tour place is right at this corner here. So you can see all the tour stuff there. So I'm gonna go in there now. So I booked my thing for Thursday. Also, he wrote my name, Athena, which is really funny. But yeah, so we're gonna do the hour-and-a-half one. Because I thought, why not? It's so dead out here. I mean, it's only been like 10 minutes, but it was super easy. But when he walked in, he's like speaking Portuguese to me, and I was like, oh. But I mean, he knew I was Portuguese. It was just the fact I didn't speak it. But yeah, I'm excited to do this. So it's in 2 days. I'm gonna do it, and it's like in the morning. So That'll be nice. Driving in Portugal. My first time in Portugal. Got a nice little car. Showing you camera woman. Welcome to my cooking show. Welcome to the kitchen. Welcome to my cooking show.
Oh, that's nice.
No, we're just in like a Home Depot version.
Yeah.
And we're getting some towel racks. And we're just looking at the kitchens. They're actually so cute here. Like this one's tile. So cute. And the counter on this one. So cute. Got the goods from Leroy's. Oh no, there's not a car coming. So now we're gonna go see some family, which I probably won't film, but we'll see what I film around the area. There's Zinnia. We're having a little bite. We got peach compote, which is the best. So we're having that. Cheers. Oh, I got a drink. The biggest, look how compared to my hand. This is the biggest grilled cheese I've ever seen, and I also got patatas. And this, what wasn't you? What'd you get?
Pataniscas.
Oh yeah, that's our little meal. That's crazy. I'm gonna like eat the size of my head. We are in Loule today. Another day. It is. What is it today? Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. We're in Loule. Look at all the pretty flowers. So we're just walking around. We just went to the shoe store. Didn't find anything, sadly. Nothing in my size here. But now we're gonna walk on down to the market. Yeah. We're leaving the market now. So now we're just gonna keep going down the road. I hate when people are like looking at me. Everyone here stares. So I'm like, see, it's super. Yeah, but it's super cloudy today. Oh, they just think I'm a turista, so it's okay. But it's super cloudy, but it's still nice out. Just a little chilly. My famous photo is taken right here. I ended up buying some shoes. I like Birkenstocks, but like a Spanish version. So yeah, now we're gonna leave. I don't know where we're going now.
But we're going to Mall shopping.
We're going to Mar shopping, which is a big shopping mall. We have now come to Mar shopping mall, which I'm in lefties, and I just found these heels. So cute. So I probably am gonna buy them. I'm on a shoe craze today, it feels like. Oh, I can put you on a hanger. But yeah, we just ate a pizza, which I was gonna film, but we were so hungry. We like ate it in 5 seconds. But yeah, now we're just gonna shop around the mall. There's an IKEA here we're gonna go to, which weirdly I'm excited for, because I don't think I've been to an IKEA in years. Probably buy a bunch of stuff, fill up my suitcase. We have driven our way away from the mall, because too much shopping has occurred. And now we are in Corteira, along the beach, and we're gonna go get some bubble tea like we did last time. And that's about it. The beach is so empty though. It's just not warm. Like I'm wearing a jacket, you know? It's just windy.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Off on a new adventure. We're now back. Just had some soup. Got my little new skirt on, but we're going to Pingdos. Well, just me. I'm gonna get some snacks because we're gonna have some family over, which I won't be filming. So let's go on an adventure around. This is the grocery store I'm going to. There's just people around me, so I'm like, this is so awkward filming. Here we are. I got everything I need. We've got green grapes, purple grapes, and cookies because we're making a little charcuterie board, so we just needed some extra snacks. Oh, and look at the sun setting. Such nice lighting. This is the charcuterie board we made. Look at this. The grapes got little breads, got olives, cheese. I don't know what type of meat is that.
Presume.
That's presumed. And then we have this like pumpkin cheese. So yeah, that is a little spread. We have now driven to Messinge. So we just parked the car literally in the same space as we did last time. And now we're gonna go walk around and explore. There's not usually too much that goes on here, but we come for the shoe stores, right? You just laugh. That's all you do in the video is just
laughing? Okay, I'm not laughing now.
This is the market, but it's closed right now, so we just wanted to have a little look because it was being renovated when we came last year. And just like that, we're gonna leave because everything is just closed or like run down. There's just not much to do here, so we're just gonna get some water and leave. We are now back home and we're probably just gonna rest until dinner just because I'm so tired. Like, it actually poops you out, the boat ride. So yeah, I'm gonna take a little nap and then we'll have dinner and then I'll probably go for like a little after dinner walk. We're now making clams. I want to see if I catch one opening up. There's a couple. Oh, yay. I got some soup and then we got some nice bread. We are in Portimao today. We're gonna have a little walk on, I don't know the walkway here. I haven't been here for like 10 years, so, or I don't even know if I've actually ever seen this. So let's take a look. We are on the walkway here, so you can see the nice views, but we're gonna keep walking down. We have come for food. I've got iced tea now, and she of course so, and then I'll show you the food that we get after. Here we are, we got my vegetarian burger and fries, got more fries, and then she's got the bifana. Oh, you got lettuce in there. That's different.
Looks good.
Yeah, so we're gonna have a little munch. We finished our lunch and then we walked around a little bit, not too much. But now we've crossed the bridge to the other side of the water. Where are we now? And we're gonna go see the little town because I've never been here before, so I'm excited. Oh yeah, and we're gonna get a dessert as well. Wow. And there's a castle. We found the street. I've seen this all over TikTok, but look at the flowers. So cute, and there's more of them up there. There's all different flowers. They almost look fake, but they're real. So pretty. And plus, like, these are painted really nice all the way up. We came to the bottom. We got our gelati. We got Kinder Bueno flavor. We both got the same thing. Cheers. Cheers.